Hi guys, Miss Kenny. We are here and this is for Wednesday, March 24th and Thursday, March 25th. Fingers crossed that nothing crazy because I make these videos in advance. So as you notice, my unit 6 dates were all wrong because of a snow apocalypse. But so this is for Wednesday, Thursday. This is our second notes for unit 7, which is all about polygons. On Monday, Tuesday, we did interior angles. Now, if you have not done that yet, go do that now because otherwise you're not gonna know a lot of the stuff for today because I'm gonna keep cycling it through. So you wanna make sure that you stay on top of your notes. So if you did not do the notes for interior angles of polygons on Monday and Tuesday, go do that now. It's not long, and neither is this one. So you can probably do them both pretty quick. So go ahead and get your notebooks ready. We'll go ahead and jump into it. There's no printouts for today. It's a pretty easy, we will do one picture that we'll draw ourselves, but that's it. So I'm gonna flip you over. Zoom in a little bit, there we go. All right, so this is for March 24th and March 25th, and we are doing exterior angles of polygons. All right, so what is an exterior angle? Let's find that out first. Remember, if I go too fast, watch this in slow motion or pause it when you need to, okay? So an exterior angle is an angle formed by a side of a polygon and the extension of an adjacent side. All right, so I'm gonna draw a picture here so you can just kind of see what I mean. All right, so in this case, this is the side because I have a triangle. That's my polygon, it's 3 sides, right? So this is the side of my polygon, side of my triangle. This right here would be the exterior angle formed and then this would be the extension that helps make that angle. So it's outside the polygon. All right, so our first big rule here. This one you're gonna like, I think. So if I added up all so if there was extensions on everything and I added up all the exterior angles, when I add up all of it, it's a sum, right? So sum of all exterior angles. Exterior, you're gonna have to read all these problems carefully because it'll say exterior or it'll say interior, so that's different. Is 360 degrees. Always, it's always 160 degrees. So if you can remember that, you'll never get the answer wrong. It's always 360. So I want to do an example. Example 1. Now, of course, I'm not going to just ask for the sum of the exterior angles. I'm going to ask a little bit more. I want to find the sum of the interior angles and the sum of the exterior angles of an undecagon. So we'll do sum of interior. I'm going to abbreviate interior. I hope that's okay. And sum of exterior. I'm going to abbreviate that as well. All right, pause it if you need to because I'm gonna keep going, okay? So first thing you need to find out is how many sides does an undecagon have? And so look back at your notes from Monday, Tuesday. Like I said, if you don't have them, you wanna look at them. Undecagon is 11 sides. And so I'm gonna put here n equals 11. So then you also wanna look at your notes from that day and find the formula for the sum of interior angles. Sum of interior angles. And so sum of interior angles was 180 parentheses n minus 2. So I'm gonna do 180 n minus 2. So that's 180, 11 minus 2. So let's put that in our calculator and find out how many degrees that is. 1,620 degrees. That is your answer there. All right, so for the other part of this, it's asking for the sum of exterior angles. Well, the sum of all exterior angles is 360 degrees. Always. So that is my answer. I'm done. See how easy that was? All right. Now, if I wanted to find, so there's the sum of interior, there's one interior. There's sum of exterior, and now we're gonna find the one exterior angle. The measure of one exterior angle is 360 divided by n, where n equals the number of sides. So that's the formula you need to remember for one exterior angle. So for one interior, it was the 180 n minus 2 divided by n. This now is one exterior, it's just 360 divided by n. So example 2. Find the measure of one interior and one exterior angle of an undecagon. So one interior, one exterior. All right. So we'll start with one interior angle. So I had to look back at my formula. For one interior, it was 180 n minus 2 divided by n. And undecagon is 11 sides, so n equals 11. So that's 180, 11 minus 2 divided by 11. Now when I did the top, which I did earlier, I got 1,620, and then we're gonna divide that by 11. And we get 147.27 degrees. Now for oh, I just did that wrong. I colored it wrong. Dang it. Sorry. That was one interior. I was gonna color coordinate it, and so I will. I'll just do this. Look, this is orange. One exterior, one exterior angle is 360 divided by n. So that's 360 divided by 11, which if I do that in the calculator, I get 32.72. All right, example 3. given a nonagon, find A, the sum of interior angles, B, the sum of exterior angles, C, one interior, and D, one exterior. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and let's do the exterior first, since that was what this one is about, and then we'll go to the interior, which was Monday, Tuesday. So we wrote down that the sum of exterior angles is always 360 degrees. And then for, I forgot the E there, for one exterior, it's 360 divided by n. So I need to look up that polygon, and a nonagon has 9 sides. So I know this is n equals 9 here. So 360 divided by 9 is 40. So I got those two. Now let's go for interior. So the sum of the interior is 180 n minus 2, so that's 180 9 minus 2. You can also put 7. I get 1260. And then for the one interior, we're going to take that 180 n minus 2, and we're going to divide it by n. So we're going to take 1260 divided by 9, because that's what we got for the top part. If we plugged in 9 here, 9 minus 2, we got 1260, and then n is 9, so we're going to divide that by 9. 1260 divided by 9 is 140. There you go. All right, example 4. We have 2 more. It says, if one exterior angle is 30 degrees, how many sides does the polygon have? Okay, so one exterior angle is 30. How many, so we have to find n. How many sides? So find n. So for one exterior angle, I look back at my notes and there's a formula that we used, right? One exterior angle is 360 divided by n. So no, I know that if I take 360 divided by n, it's gonna equal 30 here. And we're gonna solve this. So first of all, let's get n out of there. So multiply by n, multiply by n. 360 equals 30n. Now divide by 30 and we're done. We get n equals, if I put that in the calculator, I get 12. So that, what is that called again? Dodecagon? Yeah, dodecagon. I'm really bad about these names, so. Dodecagon. All right, last example, example 5. If one interior angle is 144 degrees, find how many sides? Find the number of sides. I'm getting a little lazy. I don't want to write it all out. Okay. So one interior angle. That was from Monday. We learned one interior angle. So if you look back at Monday's notes and you find the formula for one interior angle, first of all, we're finding n again. the formula was 180 n minus 2 divided by n. Well, they're giving me what it equals. It equals 144, and we have to solve this. So always get n out of your denominator by multiplying by n, multiplying by n. So 180 n minus 2 equals 144n. Now let's get rid of the parentheses. Whenever we solve an equation, we have to get rid of the parentheses. So let's distribute. 180n minus 360 equals 144n. Since I have n's on both sides, you want to bring this over because you want n's on one side and numbers without n on the other. So let's subtract 180n, subtract 180n. Negative 360 equals sorry, I don't have 144 minus 180. Negative 36. Divide by negative 36, divide by negative 36, n equals 10. That is a decagon? Decagon? It is a decagon, yeah. Decagon. I'm doing this mainly to help myself remember these. So, sorry about that. You couldn't see that last part. So, I'm going to flip you over. Try the assignment. You get 2 attempts. If you don't get 100, come ask me for help. And make sure you stay caught up with your notes, okay? So again, hopefully you had already taken the notes for Monday, Tuesday. So stay on top of them. If you need help, come see me at Zoom. Talk to you soon.